With so many email marketing and automation tools out there, it's really hard to pick one that you can use for your daily business needs. One tool which really caught my eye is Acumbamail, a Spanish-based company making waves ever since its launch on AppSumo. I got the Acumbamail from AppSumo myself and I've been using it ever since for the last 2-3 years. What I've discovered is that you don't need to be a pro to get started using Acumbamail. It's so easy to set up and use it. So I'm on acumbamail.com/en. So since this is a Spanish based company, you'll have to append /en. And in this video, I will walk you through Acumbamail and its features and the pricing, integrations available, so that you can know if this tool is right for you or not. Using Acumbamail, you can build email marketing campaigns, automated digital workforce, and responsive landing pages, run SMS campaigns, send transactional based emails, create and launch surveys, and build forms on your website, all within a single tool. As you can see on their website, it's mentioned 547 companies signed up since last week. So it's really popular tool, and you can use it to send out email and SMS campaigns. If you scroll down, you will see a list of all of their clients, and you will see their services being offered: email services, SMS, service websites, and surveys. So you get all of these features, including transactional emails as well, and automation. So it doesn't really matter what business you're in, you're a self-employed or small business enterprise or freelancer, or an enterprise level business, or an agency, or an institution. Acumbamail will fit into all of your needs, right? Because everybody uses email. Everybody has a website these days. You need a form on your website that you can capture leads, and then you send out automated emails, send out newsletters, right? So let's take a look at what they have to say for agencies. So email marketing for commerce: manage all the accounts for your clients from a single panel. This way you can separate and work independently. As you can see, they came on AppSumo and they have got 5 tacos. So a lot of people really signed up and bought Acumbamail from AppSumo, and they have been given full 5 tacos for this. And you can see their ratings on Google, Capterra, and Product Hunt, very impressive indeed. So advantages of using mailing for advertising agencies: easy management of campaigns, high performance at a fixed cost, maintained over time, complete reports of all data. Right? You can share your plan between your users if you have multiple users, create unlimited users, assign roles, and a single payment plan and invoice. It's really impressive. Right? So scrolling down, you will see all their templates. For example, you can create landing pages to increase the conversions of your marketing campaigns. All their landing page templates are really responsive. Right? They are also offering free courses that you can, for email marketing, that you can learn. Now let's take a look at the email marketing solution. Right, so you will see over here, since they are a Spanish-based company, some of the terminology that you will see on their website is Spanish. Right, you will see this reports, different types of reports, like opening, which device it's being opened. All right, here they have really walked through the benefits of email marketing and what are the different types of email campaigns that you can send. Like I said, newsletters is something which you can send. Automations, they have beautiful automations. You can A/B test RSS and transactional emails. So set up SMTP. They provide SMTP services as well to send out transactional emails, such as confirmation emails or payment receipts, etc. Right? They have GDPR compliant laws. You can create segments, campaign timing. A lot of things can be done. Now I'll go through SMS marketing later, but let's take a look at email marketing templates that they have. So they have a number of different templates. You can scroll down and see the different categories over here. Let's take the example of travel. So when it comes to travel, they have all of these templates. All right, so you can, let's say I want to use this template. So this will open up this template. You'll see over here, start editing with this template. If I click here, then as I've already signed up to Acumbamail, Acumbamail, then the dashboard opens up. You will see this is how the dashboard looks like. So I'll walk you through the dashboard in my next video. But here we are in the templates. You will see over here home, campaigns, lists, automations and reports. Down you will see SMTP that I was talking about, SMS campaigns, websites that you can use to create your own website or landing pages, and surveys. All right, and my dashboard is lifetime deal, which I took from AppSumo. You'll see lifetime over here. Anyways, coming down you will see the preview. This is the entire template that on one click that you have pulled in. You can always click inside and make those edits. All right, the builder is really clean, very easy to use. And for example, if I want to drop, let's say, a video over here, all I need to do is just drag it and drop it over here, and there you go, the video has come in. All right, so let's say I want to, let's say, copy paste, and let me show you how you can really add the logo. So here you can add a YouTube or a Vimeo URL. I've added the YouTube URL and the video will pull it. You see, even the height of the video is proportional to the size of the templates or the height of the templates over here. So it's really very simple and straightforward. Other than this, you can also, there are different things that you can do over here. You can add a title here. Let's say you can add a paragraph. You can even create let me show you the list. It's really impressive. Right, you can add list. You can add an image. Let's say you want to add a timer, for example, time is running out. So you can add a timer over here, add a countdown timer. All right, so you have this timer over here. You can add start on open, start on send, and you have different blocks, different designs. You can set the background, labels, and more. All right. Again, click on content, and then you will see over here icons, stickers, for example. You can even create surveys. You can add a survey template panel over here. So it's really simple to use. You can also preview it in mobile version. As you can see, it's really responsive. All right. So these are some of the templates that you will find with a very easy drag and drop builder. You can always go back. All right, and you have different editing options over here. All of this, like I said, I'll show you in the next videos. Let me just go back. So how do I get this template? This is it. Next up is landing page template. Again, they are offering 143 free and customizable landing page templates. You have some beautiful templates extending all the way to so many pages. Let's go to 15, and let me take the Black Friday sale. Let's say I want to use this template. So customize a free landing page. Again, start using this template, and again it will take me directly to the landing page under websites. You see over here. First, I'll have to put in the details, name of the landing page. Let's say I'll type Black Friday 2024. Meta title, Black Friday sale, for example. So meta title and meta description is very important part of meta tags. You can learn more about this meta tags in my SEO course on my YouTube channel. So meta title and meta description is really important. I also showed you earlier how you can kind of find out anything about a page meta title or meta description using this Chrome extension. All you need to do is just click over here. But since this is you see the title over here, meta title, page title, design your landing page. So using this Chrome extension, again, I have a separate video for that. This is not the video for discussing the meta title, but just wanted to show you quickly. Tracking in Google Analytics, you can add the source in the campaign and add your own scripts. Next up, you'll have to go to the design, and in the design, you will see the entire landing page URL. You can see a preview of it. Again, the same builder over here on the right, you will see the different templates. All right, if you want to preview, just click on preview over here, and you can see the page in all the three different versions. This is the tab version and this is the mobile version. So you can see that it's really responsive, I'm going to click on hide preview, and again you're free to use any buttons that you want. Let's say I want to add a button over here. You can use a button. You can add your own social media icons if you want to. Let's say in the footer I want to add social media, or let's say here, so you can add your own social media icons and so on, right? Everything is included. So let me just go back again to the services page. All right, so this is about landing page. You get different landing page builders. Now we'll go to the SMS marketing now. So one of the best things, unique things that Acumbamail provides is SMS marketing as well. So you can send SMS marketing advertising messages using different text, send mass SMS campaigns. So here you will see under campaigns, you will see quick send or SMS. You will see the size of the message, but there are only certain countries that are supported in SMS marketing. So I'm sure you can send reminders, confirmation, order status, key dates, details, cross-selling, etc. Right, click on reports. You'll see all of it over here. Right, so yeah, so here it is, countries which you can send SMS with Acumbamail. These are the zone 1 and zone 2 countries. So in zone 2 countries will have a cost of 2 credits per SMS sent. So if you are living in one of these countries, then make sure that you utilize the SMS marketing of Acumbamail. All right, and scroll down further, obviously you will find over here email marketing software as well. Email marketing software is provided. Again, very clean and very easy to use Acumbamail. All right, let's take a look at their pricing plans. So you have different kinds of plans that you can use. Let me switch from euro to dollars. All right, so mailings, how many mails do you need to send per month? Depending on that, obviously you will get the services as well. So if you are scrolling to, let's say, 100,000 emails per month, and the monthly plan you don't get any discount, but on annual plan you get 20% discount. So they have this first plan, which is the basic plan, and then they have the pro plan, and finally enterprise plan. All right, so in the basic plan you have 850 customizable templates, telephone support, automations, websites, A/B testing, complete reports, SMTP, which is very important. And if I click on more, then you will see all that is included in the basic plan. No minimum contract, no Acumbamail logo on the templates, automations, websites, only one website visits is 2,500, different themes, A/B testing. So basically you have every single thing that you need except for list cleaning and list optimization, and send it the most active time. Now this is one important feature that I really liked, because when you're setting up and sending an email campaign, you have that option of sending at the most active time. So the algorithm behind Acumbamail will see when the user is online or open the email, and the email is then sent out at that time. And I've used it myself and I've tested it and seen the results. Right, complete quality analysis is not here, priority in queue sending, analysis of best time slot, agency account, Facebook audiences, all of this is not there. SMS included is not there. Surveys is only 20 answers per month. You don't have a dedicated account manager or dedicated IP. Right? But if you go for the pro plan or enterprise plan, obviously then more options open up. You have 50,000 website visits per month. Here it is more. All right, so in the 100,000 emails plan, which is at $149 monthly. All right, so you pay $149, you can send up to 100,000 emails per month, but you get a lot more than that. It's not just about 100,000 emails, but you get website themes, dynamic forms, webhooks, subscribers download, and a lot more. All right, so this is about if you are going to send, if you want to price your plan as per email sending per month. Obviously you can go up to 2 million or even more. All right, so if you go up to all the way up to 2 million emails, which is good for agencies, then you are shelling out, let's say, $646 per month for 2 million emails, which is not bad. I would say it's a very fair price. If it's more than, in the enterprise plan also you can send 2 million emails, that'll cost you $820 per month for annual plan. But you get a lot more. You get unlimited automations, and here 20 workflows. You get 1 million visitors per month. All right, You can even go all the way up to 2 million plus. Then you'll have to reach out to their support as well, right? So I'll just return to the pricing plans. This option is if you are going to send, if you want to go as per their mailing. But if you have a subscriber based plan, for example, and this is the beauty of Acumbamail, because other email softwares will allow you only mailings or subscribers, so you don't have that option of choosing this or this. But here you have both options. So for example, if I go subscribers, and if I have a defined number of subscribers, all right, let's say I have 50,000 subscribers. So what I can do is I can come down over here and I can see the price and the features in this 50,000 subscriber plan. All right. So what is included? Agency, let's say in the pro plan, agency account, automatic resend, list cleaning, and all of this, right? And the enterprise, you even get a dedicated IP, which is good. All right. If you want to go for the subscribers based plan. If you're going for the prepaid credit, this is for SMS, obviously, or emails. How many emails do you want to send? Then you have this option of buying one-off payment. Let's say you want to buy 300,000 emails that you can use anytime. To unlimited subscribers, there's no daily limit, expiry date of 2 years. So you are buying 300,000 emails, which you can use in a time period of 2 years. There is no daily limit. So if you want to send out 300,000 emails, you can send out in even 1 day also. All right. Subscribers, unlimited subscribers, right? So it's really up to you, right? You can go, again, you can go up to more than 300,000 as well. So prepaid credit is something that you can use. You can buy the emails and use it within a period of 2 years. All right. Then next is SMS. If you want to buy SMS credits, prepaid or monthly basis. So how many SMS do you want to send? So based on that, obviously the price will change over here. So SMS cost is $0.048 or cents. All right. So this is about the pricing plans. When it comes to integrations, Acumbamail provides a lot of integrations, right from PrestaShop to WordPress. They have a native integration. Again, with Magento, they have a native integration. WooCommerce native, Google Analytics, GA4 native, Facebook audiences can be built, WordPress third-party forms, Shopify, Pabbly, Integrately. These are all connecting tools like Zapier, right? You have Google Sheets. This is powered by Zapier. This is not a native integration. Excel, again, powered by Zapier, not a native integration. Google Forms, powered by Zapier. So these are something which you need to consider, because these are not native integration. So you can use Zapier or you can use Pabbly, for example. You have Outlook and you have PayPal. All right. So this is the integrations available. A lot of healthy integrations which are there. Resources, when it comes, then you can check out the blog or their glossary. All right. So very easy to use software, very simple and very powerful. So in the next videos, I will open up the dashboard and I will walk you through each feature, and we'll see if this software is right for you or not. Thank you, everyone.